Creating a post for your lead magnet, my template. So I'm going to give you my general template, my blueprint, so to speak, on what I use every single time I'm posting in another group to solicit members to join my group. Now, one could consider this self promotion, and to an extent, that is definitely valid. We are doing a little bit of self promotion, but we are attempting to bend the rules because we're giving away something for free. There's no monetary exchange, and it's something that is of benefit to the audience that we're going to be in context with. So, I don't want you guys to copy this post verbatim. I'd like you to model this template, and I'll explain the psychology paragraph by paragraph on why this is effective. So, just case in point, this is not my group. I'm in Kevin McGuire's and Dale Hill Roberts' group, and I'm going to show you something really cool. So, here we go. If I were posting in their group, this is what I would do to have members join my own group. I would say, hey everyone, I'm really excited to join this awesome group related to making money online. In the short time I've been here, there's been great discussions on different ways to make money, along with getting to know some fantastic folks. I'm actually in the dinosaur training niche, which has been very lucrative on how to teach owners the best practices of training their pet T-Rex. Did you know that owners will pay upwards of $500 an hour for Zoom lessons on how to train their T-Rex to do a backflip? There's a huge opportunity that I think you all can benefit from. Who wouldn't want to make an extra $500 an hour from their computer chair? If you're interested, I have a 100% free guide on how to get started with setting up a dinosaur training business. All you have to do is join my Facebook group, link here, to get a copy of it. Once you're in, the guide is yours. Let me know if you have any questions about dinosaur training, and I'll do my best to help you reach the 500 per hour dream of making money online. See y'all around. Jacob. So, obviously, dinosaur training is not a real niche, and I did this intentionally to not only make things humorous, but so that you can't copy this post word for word. Just wouldn't work. But here's the breakdown. Introduction. Hey everyone. I'm engaging everyone in the group. I'm being personable. I'm not just hitting everyone up with my lead magnet right off the bat. So I'm just really excited to join this group related to what I'm in. I'm showing that I'm putting effort into my post. I have put effort in being a part of this group. And in the short time that I've been here, I've observed some things going on. So I'm complimenting the group, complimenting the administrators, and complimenting all the people in this community. So right there, I'm kissing up everyone. People are going to let their guards down and be like, oh, wow, this guy's pretty chill. He's pretty nice. You know, you got to charm and charismatically persuade everyone to listen to what you've got to say. So I like to use my introduction to have everyone put their guard down and, make people feel good and get a good impression of me before reading what I have to say next. So here, I'm mentioning that I've got a big opportunity that is going to make such and such results. Now, of course, I can't substantiate that dinosaur training would do that, but what I'm doing here is that I have a solution to a problem, or I would say an answer to a question. So the question being, well, how do you make money online? My answer is, I'm not only making money online by training owners on how to tame their dinosaurs, but I'm also doing it very successfully. I'm making money online very successfully with making $500 an hour, going on Zoom, going on Skype, doing this. So, people have a pain point. They have a problem. They come into groups like Making Money Online because they want to make more money and or they want to make that money online. So I have the solution. I make a lot of money with this, and I'm doing so online. So, I'm getting people excited with that. And from here, I have a free guide on how to get started with the solution to their problem. So, again, there's no monetary exchange here. It is truly free. There's no opt in, pass, joining the group. All you have to do is join the group, and the guide is yours, and you'll be on your way towards learning this business. And of course, we'll have a book, full length book to sell related to dinosaur training. But people can get at least started with the free guide that they can preview and read, and be a part of your group in exchange to get a copy of it. And something that I like to do is I always try to make myself genuinely available and helpful to people. And you might want to consider doing this too if this is for a niche that you consider yourself to be in long term. You want to be an authority. You want to establish yourself as an expert, as a coach relatively quickly. So be around to answer questions. Take PMs, private messages, direct messages. They are among the best ways to establish relationships with people in groups. And from there, you can not only build relationships, but of course, cynically speaking, long term, you have the opportunity to promote and sell products and services that either your personal brand possesses or that your pen name is going to be offering on Amazon. So that's what I like to do. And here, I'll show you a little trick. Now, you might be thinking, Jacob, does this actually work? Well, yes, it does, because here's the thing. I know I just said that I won't give this to you word for word, but the best way, the easiest way to get this word for word is to actually join this group. So if you want to use my template, if you like the vocabulary, you like the wording, and you just want to edit a few things here and there, if you want this template on how to essentially write up a post for directing people to your lead magnet, if you want this post, just join this group in the link below this video, and you'll have it. So right there, one of you is going to inevitably join this group to get my post on a lead magnet. So my post on a lead magnet has become a lead magnet to join this group. Okay, so my shit works. And so this is what I use. I think it's very effective. It's very chill. It's not pushy. It's not salesy. It's a very chill, laid-back post. Now, are some admins going to delete this post and mark it as self-promotion? Yeah, probably. But, all you need are a few opportunities for administrators to either pass this post and get people to get the value of a free guide, or you have to game up administrators. You have to warm up the community and have people recognize you. And in time, if you do that, usually groups will let you bend the rules a little bit and do some self-promotion if given that this is a free guide with no monetary exchange. So that's all you really need to know with how to set up a post directing people to your lead magnet to join your group.